Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. We are continuing our journey on Safe Tour. Today's topic is responsibilities of a system team in Safe 5.x. If you're traveling with me, you would know that I started discussing about different elements or various elements of each configuration of SAFe 5 for lean enterprise. Currently, we are traveling in essential configuration. That's the first configuration I started with. That box in the purple color, right? These components we already discussed. You can refer my all my earlier videos. So currently I've taken this box. So in this box, we are currently discussing the system team. In my previous video, I discussed about what is the system team is all about, what do they do, how do they operate, all those things we discussed. In today's video, we're going to discuss about responsibilities of a system team. Safe is saying there are at least 5 responsibilities a system team need to take care of it. The system team's primary responsibilities are building, development, infrastructure, solution integration, end-to-end testing, system and solution demos, and finally release. Right? So these are the 5 responsibilities we are going to discuss in this video. The first one is building development infrastructure. Good infrastructure supports high art velocity. So the system team may create and maintain the continuous delivery pipeline toolchain, including continuous integration, automated builds, automated build verification testing, and automated deployment. It's about building CI/CD platform either using Jenkins or any other, GoCD or whatever the technology or platform you want to use. System team also may create platforms and environments. It could be cloud-based PaaS. PaaS means platform as a system, platform as a service. They'll create platform as environment for development, solution demos, and user acceptance testing. Right? They also facilitate the technical aspects of collaboration with the third parties such as data or service providers or hosting facilities. So they will take care of building of end-to-end development infrastructure. The next aspect of responsibilities with the system team is solution integration. Since we build complex solutions, system team need to be there for solution integration. They should participate in PA planning and pre and post PA planning events in a large solution safe and in backlog refinement to define integration and test backlog items. That is very, very important. Right? So system teams presence is in PA planning is to have that stories related to integration, stories related to solution testing or end-to-end testings, right? All those things involved. Then only you building a right amount of a right kind of automated solution, right kind of automated testing, all those things will be possible. The second aspect in solution integration is system team determine and help maintain decisions and policies for a version management. What is the version management tool to be used? Which best suits the environment? All those things they can decide. They run solution level build and integration scripts or manually integrate where automation does not yet exist. Attend other team stand-ups to support daily activities. So essentially, they should support activities that are related to solution integration right? Third aspect of responsibility is the end-to-end testing, right? They create newly automated test scenarios. They extend test scenarios to data sets and more closely match production, organize the test cases designed by the individual teams into ordered shoots. They perform manual testing as well as do the automated testing for new features, prioritize the time-consuming tests, refactor it, run reduced test shoots where applicable, help teams to create smoke tests, reduce test suites that they can run quickly and independently for developer builds, test solution performance against NFRs, and assist system and solution architect engineering in identifying system shortfalls and bottlenecks. Right. So essentially, system team will help as a pivotal for having a smooth end-to-end testing as a solution. Right. The fourth aspect is the system and solution demos, right? At the appropriate time during every iteration, the art demonstrate the current and whole system to stakeholders in the system demos. Likewise, the solution train must integrate and show the progress at the solution demo, right? The system team typically helps prepare the technical environments to reliably demo the new solution and functionality, right? So that's where the need of a system team in the solution and solution demos and PI demos happens. Final aspect for a system team's responsibility is a release, right? The system team often has unique skills and experience related to the evolving solution. It may include QA and operations personnel, and members of system architect and engineering team may serve as a member of this team. They have a broad end-to-end solution experience, which means they understand what it is and what it does. With this perspective, the system team can support the art or a solution trained to prepare, package, and deploy a solution as part of DevOps and the continuous delivery pipeline activities. So essentially, they will support continuous delivery as part of DevOps, as part of CI/CD. They will take care of automated deployment. They will take care of release on demand, right? So that's a very crucial responsibilities for a system team. Let us try to understand the another important aspect of balancing solution integration and testing effort, right? We already discussed that the system team can never be an entire solution to the pipeline tooling and integration challenge. They must collaborate with the agile teams on a shared vision to implement DevOps and the continuous delivery pipeline. We already know that, as a development team also they cannot provide an entire solution without a system team. Agile teams need to come together and have a shared vision. That's very important. System team is one of the agile teams. That's all it is, right? So efficient solution development requires sharing best practices, right? For example, if the system team executes end-to-end performance testing, but individual team don't perform even lightweight performance testing, the performance problems may be revealed late, causing delays and rework. The inverse is also true, right? So development team doing a lot of things and system team is not even doing a performance testing. So that also will cause delay and rework. So it needs to be there teams to perform extensive performance tests on every day, every story slows their velocity. So maximizing art velocity requires a sense of balance between the agile teams and the system teams, right? As you see in the picture, this picture illustrates that with maturity and automation, the optimum point of integration responsibility moves to the left, right? See, agile team is doing their own, development and coding. System team is there trying to automate. They're doing a lot of performance testing. When both teams are performed, when you travel from right to left, this where you'll attain the maturity and optimal level of automation. And these people also putting their required efforts here. So this is where you'll get the optimal velocity as a result of shared responsibility. So that's what initially in my previous video I mentioned that its whole team matters, not whole system matters is not as one of these parts of it. Actually. Each part, system team, development team, every team has a role to play actually. Right? So you need to find strike a balance to figure out your optimal, velocity here, so that it become a shared responsibility, and as a team, you guys are performing at your peak, right? So with that, we come to the conclusion of today's video. Hope you got a nice view on what are the different responsibilities of a system team and how to strike a balance having a shared responsibility between the system team and agile teams, right? So that's very crucial. Attaining that balance, attaining that optimal level of velocity is very critical for any size of a team or any size of a company, right? So hope you guys like this video. If you like, please subscribe to the channel and spread this videos to your friends and others, so that it becoming a knowledge sharing practices. It helps who are involved in agile practices or agile enthusiasts. So I'll happy to get your comments and review your comments. I would like to improve on that, right? So with that, I'm signing off today. Take care. Bye bye.